What is going on, Supreme Mafia? It's your boy Blaze, and we're back at it again, 4th day of vlogging. And today we're down at the creek with Michael, and we're gonna have 2 other friends coming with us. But we're gonna do some creek fishing, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so we're still here getting rigged up. We haven't moved downstream yet, but alright, so this water is like freezing cold. Shut up, Michael.
What?
So I don't know if we're gonna catch anything today, but we're gonna try. And we're gonna move downstream. We're trying to take a path through the woods because, you know, the water's like cold as freaking snot. And we're looking. As you can see, Michael just ran into that. Michael, why do you have to take the... Well, now we're going through briars. God dang, Michael.
Whoa, damn, bro. Talk about spiderweb. Look at that motherfucker.
Alright, we'll catch back with y'all. We're here. As you can see from my Fishing Guru's account, this is where the pond is. And that right over there is where Michael... No, wait, was it you or Nick that got his... Nick? Okay, yeah, he got his slide stuck in the water. And yeah, so we're gonna get to fishing. Okay, we're gonna get fishing.
What? Yeah, I think we just walked.
We might not catch anything.
We just walked all the way over here for nothing.
Oh!
You know what I'm gonna do? Totally not fish here.
David, whatever your name is. Oh my god, bro. Y'all don't know how to fish.
I forgot about this reel. It does that stupid thing.
Wait, what?
You hear it?
What the freak?
You don't remember that?
Oh, I just caught...
What the hell? Why is it doing that? Oh, that's the drag. What the
Oh!
Okay, I fixed it. It's all good.
Never mind. What happened? I thought I got a freaking fish.
Well, you didn't.
I know that. I probably won't ever get a freaking fish.
I won't.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm in the bushes.
How the hell?
Get that one. I'm too lazy.
Hey, I got it.
It worked. I'm surprised that worked.
Dude, there's so many leaves in the water, guys.
You know what I'm gonna do?
There's so many
Every time
leaves.
I catch a lead,
I'm gonna use my
like,
jumping
yeah,
powers and jump over there, Blaze.
What? You about to see if you can jump over there?
Yeah, here, hold my rod.
Bro, go get that one.
No, fuck you. Oh, damn, bro. This is when I fall on my face.
This is how you work.
Alright, here, hold my phone, too. You ready for this? This is gonna be
I'm a
fun.
god at fishing. Blaze, look, I'm a god at fishing.
Yo, Michael just tried to jump across this little pond figure. He totally fell in the water.
Dude, like,
Michael,
totally.
Here,
Wait.
Does it feel good?
Here.
Damn, bro. Wait.
Here.
I gotta move this for y'all, dumb fellas.
Y'all, dumb fellas?
I'm dead.
Cause then it'll be easier for you dumbasses. You ready? Watch out. What the hell?
What the hell?
Just push it.
I got all over my ass.
Here.
Oh my god.
Here.
Dumbass. Whoa!
Yo, alright. This is not going well, guys. It's not, really.
Hey, at least I made this thing here.
Yeah, it doesn't even work.
Yeah, Drogo.
Michael made like this little ramp thingy so we can get over there.
I was about to
Yeah,
catch
no, look, it doesn't put your calves in the water.
Oh!
Dude, what the nugs?
It's probably just resistance from a lead.
Alright, we're moving.
Someone had to do it, so.
We're moving.
Which way?
I don't know. Look at him. Look at him. Y'all, you see this? Look at this kid. All right, we're gonna move. All right, guys, we moved. We survived. Good cast, dude.
If there's anything that I'm good at in fishing, it's just casting.
The only thing I'm good at in fishing is
Remembering stuff.
The only thing I'm good at fishing is catching trees. You know what I'm saying?
oh yeah. That's where I caught that one fish, Michael. Remember
No.
over there?
Oh yeah.
The one that we didn't
Oh,
get on
that was-
camera.
Fuck that.
David.
Sorry, I was trying to put it there.
Yo, bro, should we go up that road?
What road?
Right here, look. It's
Yeah,
like a
I see that. Yeah.
Dude, there's a chair. I need to go get on my chair. I'm sorry, boys. I got it. Whoa!
Yo, there's like houses right over here,
Watch
as you can
this.
see.
You might want to record this because I actually might fall.
That was funny. He just died. He died in the water. Oh, oh. Alright, I'm gonna go now.
Hold on, David. Hold on, man. We're moving again. You're so bad. Michael just threw this lacrosse ball or something, whatever it is, in the creek. But look at this. Look at this view. Hey, David.
It's not a good view if I'm in it.
What? Oh yeah, that's true. No, I'm joking. Look. Good job, Michael. All right, well you just threw that in, but we're gonna follow this little road thing, and yeah. Dude, Michael, look at him. Look. Dude, he almost fell in. Literally, he came down this hill running. He almost fell in. I was so dead, bro. He had to like stop himself on the tree.
What is he doing?
We've seen so many deer tracks, guys. Like, it's not even joking. Look, there's wood down there. We need that.
For what?
Michael, if you catch a fish, I'll give you like $10. 10. But if you fall in, I'll give you 20. Trust me. I'll give you $20.
Wow, falling.
If you hook yourself, I'll give you 20.
Oh my god. If he falls in, bro, I'm dead.
Dude, that's not smart. Look at that teepee over there. You see that little teepee?
Oh yeah. That's fucking true.
Oh. Looks
We
like
saw a
teepee.
snake over there one day.
Remember the snake we saw today?
Oh yeah, we saw a snake today. It was little though. But the one we saw over there was hanging on a tree. Alright guys, we're gonna try to follow this road if Michael doesn't fall in. But yeah. Alright guys, what is that? I don't know. We fished for about an hour and 30 minutes. And we didn't really catch anything. Well, we didn't catch anything. We tried, but we almost fell in the water and it's just too cold. We might get hypothermia. No, I'm joking. We won't get hypothermia. But I love y'all. And I'll catch you later, guys. See ya.